Alright, what's up guys? So we took the jet ski out to the lake. Sadly, it performed the same. I have smoke coming from the engine bay, so I'm diagnosing why it's running better with, the seat off, and it's hooked up to the hose right here. And well, anyways, one of the problems I found is it's bubbly and soft, so that's not good. And then I'm gonna take this, cut it out of this other piece I have from the old one, from my parts jet ski I got. So I'll be able to fix this one, and then that ran through there and that went into there, and I had a seal right here. So I'd assume that's where the exhaust leak is coming from, so stay tuned for the next part.